On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw the Orion Crew Cabin space capsule. I'm going to start with an ellipse and what's like a very tall sort of C, and then this is the tricky bit. Draw two lines coming straight out of it like that, and they want to be kind of one above the other. Then we're going to go up and around a little bit, and then down and then up and round a little bit. And then we want to do this kind of following all the way around like that. And then we want to come straight back like that and straight back like that. And again, slight sort of curve, and we're going to come all the way around here to there. And this part here is the European Space Agency service module. So this is the command module here. And let's draw a bit of the window here. That's sort of going to go like that. And this will come at a bit of an angle like that. And we can make that a bit darker. We're going to have a window there. We'll have a window there. We're going to have these kind of round sort of port things, and let's put these in here as well. So these are like like tadpoles like that down there, and those are bits which sort of help the engines, makes the whole thing turn around and be able to move up and down and get in the right position for docking with other spacecraft. So these are the windows, and I'm going to do something like that in there. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little line like that and one like that, maybe one in there, and some little sort of curves as well, just to give it that shape. Here we want to draw NASA. So we come down and up like that, and then we'll go up and down, not all the way down. I'm going to come down like that, and then we're going to come around. This is not easy. Like that. And then we're going to go up and down, across and up and down, like that. And we've got sort of bits like that, and we put some little bolts and things in there, just to give it a bit of texture. Then we have this kind of barrel coming out behind it, like that. And that's going to just sort of come around there. And we might want some sort of lines coming around there. And it has these funny little bits which I'm not sure what they are, so just kind of pretend they're not there. And I think they might be little rocket motor things to make it sort of spin upside down and twirl about. And then here we're going to have little kind of connector points. And we want this triangle coming out there, and here we're going to want a triangle coming out there. It looks a bit like a coat hanger upside down, doesn't it? And then this is going to be the solar panel array, which is collecting sunlight and turning it into electricity. Okay, so that kind of goes in three. And then there's another one that's sort of going to be about here. We'll see a little bit of it here like that, not much. And then we're going to want to see the rocket engine sort of like that. And that will have some little curved stripes on it like that. And there you go, how to draw the NASA Orion space capsule with the ESA service module attached. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.